Running a cloud kitchen means working fast while keeping the food consistently good. And when pizza is on your menu, the oven becomes the heart of your kitchen. Whether you're starting a small pizza delivery setup or upgrading your current kitchen, this 5 Best Pizza Ovens for Cloud Kitchens guide will help you make a smart investment. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best pizza oven for Cloud Kitchen. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ninja Woodfire 3-Minute Pizza Oven, Model MO201. If you're serious about authentic pizza flavor but don't have time for complicated setups, the Ninja Woodfire 3-Minute Pizza Oven is hard to beat. It heats up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit and bakes a crispy golden pizza in around 3 minutes. That's perfect for busy cloud kitchens that handle multiple orders an hour. What sets it apart is the Woodfire flavor technology. You get that smoky brick oven taste without the hassle of wood logs or open flames. It's electric but still gives that outdoor-style flavor which can set your pizza apart from competitors. You can also switch cooking modes easily: pizza, roast, bake, or sear. That means you can prepare sides like garlic knots or roasted veggies without switching appliances. The temperature control is precise and the stainless steel build feels solid and long-lasting. One underrated feature is its easy cleanup. The crumb tray slides out and the non-stick surfaces don't hold on to grease. That's a lifesaver for cloud kitchens where cleaning time is limited. In real-world use, pizzas come out evenly baked with no cold centers or burnt corners. The preheat time is short, so you're ready to bake almost instantly. Verdict: the Ninja Woodfire is ideal for small to medium-sized cloud kitchens that want authentic taste, quick baking, and reliable results. It's fast, flavorful, and efficient. Everything a busy pizza business needs. Number 2. Gourmia Indoor Pizza Oven and Air Fryer Toaster. If you're looking for an all-in-one appliance that goes beyond pizza, the Gourmia Indoor Pizza Oven and Air Fryer Toaster is an amazing pick. This is like having multiple machines in one: an oven, toaster, air fryer, and broiler. For cloud kitchens with limited counter space, that flexibility makes a huge difference. The Gourmia can handle a full 12-inch pizza and reach temperatures high enough to give that perfect crispy crust with a soft, chewy center. It preheats quickly, usually under 5 minutes, and the heat distribution is even thanks to its built-in convection fan. For operators who make different dishes throughout the day, this unit is a time saver. You can switch from cooking pizza to toasting sandwiches or air-frying wings without needing extra equipment. The digital touchscreen is responsive and easy to read, and it has multiple presets that make operation simple. Even new staff can learn it in minutes. The glass door lets you monitor the food without opening the oven, saving energy and keeping the temperature stable. Cleaning is also easy. The crumb tray and racks are removable and dishwasher safe. In terms of flavor, pizzas made in the Gourmia have a nice browned crust and evenly melted cheese. It handles thick doughs and frozen pizzas equally well, making it practical for both fresh and prepped ingredients. Verdict: the Gourmia oven is best for cloud kitchens that need a multitasking unit to handle pizza, sides, and snacks. It's affordable, compact, and dependable, ideal for operations with mixed menus or limited space. Number 3. Wisco 421 Pizza Oven with Display. If your business is focused on pizza and nothing else, the Wisco 421 Pizza Oven should be on your radar. This oven is built like a tank. Its stainless steel body looks professional and performs like a true commercial machine. The temperature range goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and the heat control is manual, giving you full flexibility. You can adjust both time and temperature with simple dials, so you have total command over the baking process. This oven cooks pizzas evenly every single time. It doesn't matter if you're baking thin crusts or loaded pan pizzas. The heating elements distribute heat from top and bottom for uniform results. The built-in LED display shows temperature in real time, helping you stay consistent with every batch. Another key advantage is its durability. The Wisco is built for daily heavy use. It doesn't overheat, and you can run multiple cycles back to back without performance drops. For cloud kitchens that push through high-volume orders, this kind of reliability means fewer delays and more profit. Verdict: if your cloud kitchen focuses purely on pizza, the Wisco 421 is one of the best investments you can make. It's reliable, powerful, and built to handle a full day of orders without fail. Number 4. Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven with Touchscreen. The Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven brings a more modern touch to pizza baking. With a sleek digital touchscreen and preset functions, it's built for kitchens that like technology and precision. This oven heats up fast and reaches up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, higher than most domestic ovens. That's crucial for achieving that bubbly, charred crust that customers love. The built-in presets make it beginner-friendly. You can choose between thin crust, classic, or deep dish settings, and the oven automatically adjusts time and temperature. That means you can train new staff quickly without compromising quality. The clear viewing window is another plus. You can watch the pizza cook in real time, ensuring it doesn't overbake. The heating system uses both top and bottom elements, so you get an evenly browned crust and perfectly melted toppings. It's not just for pizza, though. You can bake bread, pastries, or even calzones. The compact size makes it suitable for cloud kitchens that need high performance without taking up much counter space. Cleaning is simple thanks to non-stick interiors and removable trays. Verdict: the Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven is best for tech-friendly kitchens that value speed, consistency, and modern features. If you like automated precision and reliable heat control, this is your match. Number 5. CROSSON ETL, listed commercial 16-inch countertop electric pizza oven. If your cloud kitchen needs an oven that can keep up with non-stop pizza orders, the CROSSON countertop pizza oven is worth serious attention. It's a compact yet professional-grade unit built for real kitchen use. Running on 120 volts and 1800 watts, it connects to a regular outlet but performs like restaurant equipment. Inside, a built-in pizza stone absorbs moisture and helps create that crisp, brick oven-style crust customers expect. The oven heats up fast and distributes heat evenly through dual heating elements. You'll get perfectly browned cheese and cooked-through dough without flipping or rotating the pizza. For extra control, it offers independent upper and lower temperature settings so you can adjust based on crust thickness or topping load. A heat-resistant handle and viewing window let you check progress safely. With room for up to 16-inch pizzas, it's ideal for large delivery portions or shared servings. Since it's ETL certified, it meets commercial safety standards, a must for licensed food businesses. In daily use, the CROSSON keeps its temperature stable through back-to-back baking, saving valuable time during peak hours. Verdict: the CROSSON commercial pizza oven is a strong fit for busy cloud kitchens or small restaurants that want steady heat, even cooking, and long-term reliability. It's simple, durable, and ready to handle a serious pizza rush. Which pizza oven should you buy? So, after testing all 5, here's a quick breakdown. Best oven for authentic Woodfire flavor: Ninja Woodfire 3-minute pizza oven. Best oven all-in-one appliance: Gourmia indoor pizza oven and air fryer toaster. Best oven for high-volume orders: Wisco 421 pizza oven. Best oven for tech lovers: Chefman indoor pizza oven. Best compact option: Pianzo Granite Stone countertop pizza oven. If your focus is speed and taste, go with the Ninja. If you want a single appliance that does everything, the Gourmia is your friend. For non-stop pizza orders, Wisco is unbeatable. And if space is tight, the Pianzo is a small oven with big results.